All right, we start out with a live look toward North Fargo and the Fargo Dome. A low deck of clouds out there. These clouds acting like a blanket to keep us from getting too cold too quickly. Currently out at Hector International, it's 26 degrees, a south wind blowing at 8 miles per hour. 27 is what we have out at Moorhead's Airport this hour. Right now, the wind not too bad. We have temperatures in the mid-20s still through the southern Red River Valley, a little cooler off to the east where there's a break in the clouds. You have 20 in Devil's Lake, 19 Grand Forks, 19 as well in Roseau. Lakes Country holding on with the deck of clouds as well into the mid-20s. Here's a look at those clouds as we head into the overnight. There's more on their way from the west, so we'll be dealing with those as we go through the evening. Here's what I expect. There could be a little bit of clearing here and there, and because of that, temperatures will fall this evening in the early overnight hours into the teens for most locations. But as we head towards morning, a warm front will be pushing its way through, and notice temperatures out to the west pulsing up mid-20s for many there. And temperatures rise out of the teens back into the 20s for many of us in the Red River Valley and points off to the east. Part of the reason we also warm up is an increase in wind speeds. We could see some winds, particularly in the south, out of the west and southwest, blowing at 15 to 25 miles per hour. That's how you start your day. Then as we go through the midday hours towards the lunch hour, we'll see some sunshine tomorrow, a little bit, particularly in the valley and points west, and temperatures climbing into the 30s for almost the entire area. Enough to melt some snow on area roads and sidewalks, but with overnight lows back below freezing, you'll want to watch for those slippery spots in neighborhoods and on overpasses. Temperatures in the morning will be in the mid-20s, so some slippery spots. I can't rule out some patchy areas of fog as we go through the early morning hours. Then tomorrow, wind increasing 15 to 25 miles per hour, temperatures in the mid-30s. Our friends at Proseed provide you the Road to Frisco forecast. I got to tell you, many North Dakotans going down to cheer on their bison are bringing along the cold weather. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a look at the satellite. We have quiet conditions here. Once you get through the Dakotas, the roads are drier and pretty good. But look what's going down by Hutch's kneecaps. Freezing rain, drizzle into parts of Texas and Oklahoma, and heavy rain as well. Temperatures, boy, Dallas right now, 35 degrees. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we go towards morning. Quiet conditions through much of the I-29 corridor. But look at this mess taking place in Oklahoma and in North Texas. This will be accumulating snow, some areas of freezing rain and freezing drizzle, and then some areas of just flat-out heavy rain as well. So depending on the route you take, be careful for some slippery roads out there. Temperatures on Thursday in the 30s in Dallas and in Frisco. Travel carefully. Here, much quieter. Dogs out there doing some ice fishing. Zachary captured this on Big Cormorant Lake. Thanks, Zachary. Here's a look at your planning forecast. If you like the 30s, you'll like Friday. We'll be close to 40 in a few spots, but really melting some snow. That continues into a sunny Saturday. Then on Sunday, there is a hitch in the giddy-up as we take a look at our temperatures going down as we close out the weekend with a shot of light snow and maybe some mixed precipitation. Some pretty chilly on Tuesday morning. We could see some single digits throughout the day on Tuesday for some.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.